How to install Pikashow app in your PC or laptop. You have to follow these steps. So first of all, launch any web browser on your PC such as Google Chrome, Firefox or Edge. In the browser search bar, type Pikashow APK download and press enter. From the search results, open a trusted and safe website that offers the latest Pikashow APK file. Tap the Download APK button on the website and wait for the file to download completely on your PC. Open a new tab and search for BlueStacks emulator. Go to the official website and download the installer. Once downloaded, open the BlueStacks installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install it on your PC. Once installed, open BlueStacks on your PC and wait for it to fully load. Inside BlueStacks, click on the setting icon and enable Install from Unknown Sources. Go back to your PC Downloads folder and find the Pikashow APK file you downloaded earlier. Simply drag and drop the Pikashow APK file into the BlueStacks window to begin the installation. A prompt will appear inside BlueStacks. Tap Install and wait a few seconds for the installation to complete. Once installed, find Pikashow inside BlueStacks, click Open and start enjoying your app. Thank you for watching.